The Umbrella Factory in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Let's talk about it. What's going on, good guys? Chris Newton here, Chris Newton Real Estate, chrisnewtonrealestate.com. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. Smash that like, smash that subscribe, and also share this. You know somebody that want to go into Williamsburg, share this and let them know I'm here for them. Let them know I'm here for you. Let's get into it, right? Let's get into it. The Umbrella Factory. It's a new condo community on Metropolitan in Williamsburg. Williamsburg is extremely popular in Brooklyn and in New York. Williamsburg is one of the more desired locations in Brooklyn and possibly one of in all of New York City. When you want to come to New York, you either want to go to Manhattan, you want to go to Brooklyn. Some people want to go to the Bronx. Some people want to go to Staten. You may have Queens, but it's mainly Brooklyn and it's mainly Manhattan. When you come to Brooklyn, Williamsburg is definitely, from my experience, one of the top places that people want to move to. Why? It's beautiful, it's artsy, the vibes are great. You have North Williamsburg, you have South Williamsburg. It was more on the industrial side. However, the people came and they just did their thing with it. Williamsburg is amazing. So now we have a new condo community called the Umbrella Factory, right? 69 units, so it's not a ton of units there, right? So 69, so you have 68 neighbors. You have 7 stories, so it's not even like super high. So you have 7 stories, 69 units, and the price range is from $949K, so $949,000 all the way up to $2,195,000 at the time of this video. So basically $950K to $2.2 million. Williamsburg is definitely on the upper echelon of prices. So the prices are, up here. So for this to be at $950 all the way up to $2.2, those are definitely great prices. So if you want to get into Williamsburg or even in Brooklyn, this is definitely where you want to be. You give me a call, I'll get you in. Let's get your new unit. It starts from studios all the way up to 3 bedrooms, okay? So studio apartment, so it's just you and maybe your partner in that studio, and goes all the way up to 3 bedrooms. Square footage isn't the hugest, however, it's not the smallest. It starts off at 680 square feet, and then it goes all the way up to 1,953 square feet. So it's not the hugest, but it's also not the smallest, right? I've definitely seen smaller studios for more money in New York. We're averaging the price points around 1,433 square feet, give or take. So this is price per square foot. So this square right here, that was a nasty square, but you guys get the idea. That square right there, for that one square, $1,433. You do all of that for the squares in that unit. That's basically how you get the price point. Let's talk amenities now. You have a lounge sun deck. That's fire. You also have on-site parking with the EV charger, the electrical voltage charger. Hope I got the voltage. The EV charger. This right here is amazing. One, again, as I said in prior videos, Brooklyn is notoriously bad for parking. Williamsburg is definitely one of those places that it's not the greatest for parking. It's not. You can find parking, definitely a plus. Right now, no. So now when we get to the Umbrella Factory and we have on-site parking, you do not have to spin the block a million times to get home. You park in the vicinity on the premises. That's amazing. You also have barbecue areas. You have a dog wash area for you dog lovers out there. You have somewhere to wash your pooch. You have a dog run. We have bike storage. We also have a part-time doorman. So do we have a 24-hour doorman? No. However, we do have part-time doorman. So the Umbrella Factory is not the biggest of buildings. So you don't have, which is also a plus as well, right? Depending on how you look at it. So we don't have the biggest of buildings, which means you don't have a ton of neighbors. So you don't have to share your elevator with a million different people, which is great. You don't have a 24-hour doorman. However, you do have a part-time doorman, and it's in a great neighborhood. As far as trains are concerned, you have the L train, you have the G train. Not too far from there, you can get to the city very quickly. The G train, same thing, but the G doesn't go to the city. Take the L train and it goes right to the city. You be on First Ave quick. Right after that, you'll be on Union Square, and you'll go all the way to the other side of the west side of 14th Street. It's great. You'll be in the city where you want to go. You take that L train to 14th Street on the east side. You have every train you need. You have the 4, the 5, the 6 train. You have the NQR. I believe you have the W trains is there as well. That 14, they just opened up a Target there. So you have everything where you need to go. You want to get to the south side of Williamsburg, you definitely could do that as well. You just take the commute over there. You have Domino Park. They're opening up the Domino Sugar Factory, and they're going to make it commercial. The Williamsburg Bridge, the BQE is not too far from there as well. So if you want to drive, you get to the BQE, we get to the city. Just like that, you just want to cross the bridge, take a stroll across the bridge, you definitely can. So the Umbrella Factory is definitely one of the better, in my opinion, new developments. I would live there. If I had the funds. You guys help me out, I'd be able to live there. I'm just saying. So give me a call. You guys want to see it in person? Definitely give me a call. I know the agents there. If I don't know them personally, I will get their information. Let's go see the units. Let's put offers in, and let's get you guys into Williamsburg. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend. If you guys found this video informational, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and please help me get these subscribers up. Talk to you guys soon. Later.